Welcome to my video about TOEIC Part 4, it's asthma. Put the auto-generated YouTube subtitles in French or English to get everything. The TOEIC is a widely recognized English proficiency test. The listening section assesses your ability to understand spoken English in various contexts. This section is crucial for demonstrating your comprehension skills. Many companies use TOEIC scores to evaluate English language skills. The listening section is divided into 4 parts. Part 1 focuses on picture description, Part 2 on question response, and Part 3 on short conversations. Part 4 features short talks. Each part presents unique challenges. Understanding the format helps you prepare and improve your score. Let's move on to the different question types you can expect. Part 4 of the TOEIC listening test features a variety of question types that assess your comprehension skills. Common question types include main idea questions, which ask about the overall topic or purpose of the talk. Detailed questions focus on specific information mentioned in the talk, such as dates, times, or locations. Inference questions require you to draw conclusions based on the information provided. Purpose questions ask about the speaker's intention, such as to inform, persuade, or apologize. Tone questions assess your ability to identify the speaker's attitude or emotion. By understanding the different question types, you can develop effective strategies for answering them correctly. In TOEIC Part 4. Time management strategies. Time management is crucial for success in the TOEIC listening test, especially in Part 4. You have a very limited amount of time to answer all the questions, so it's important to use your time wisely. Before the talks begin, use the preparation time to read the questions carefully and underline keywords. This will help you focus your listening and anticipate what information to listen for. Avoid spending too much time on any one question. If you're unsure of an answer, make an educated guess and move on. By managing your time effectively, you can avoid rushing and maximize your chances of success in TOEIC Part 4. I hope you know now better about Part 4. Please like this video to support my work. Don't forget to subscribe to know more about TOEIC test. Thank you all for watching this video.